Alright guys, I've written down mine, so I just need to click the continue button below here. As you can see here, just click the continue button. So now on this next screen, like I said before, you need to write down all those words you need to type in again, all those words that you wrote down on your paper. Okay, so start from number 1 all to number 12. Let me put in mine to take me to the next screen. Alright guys, so I'm done writing down mine. So the next thing I need to click now is, once you're done writing down all those words you wrote down before, once you're done typing it into this new screen you see, okay, the next thing for you to do is to click on done at the bottom. Alright, click on done at the bottom for your wallet to be created. Okay, once your wallet has been created, the next screen will tell you that your wallet was successfully created. So just click on done again. Alright, so here now we've created our wallet. Okay, we've created our wallet here. Now the next thing for us to do is to add a custom token address. Now remember that we have done one phase and one part of this very video. Okay, and one part of this very tutorial also. Okay. So now the next thing, like I said from the beginning of this video, is I am going to teach you all how to add a custom token address, okay, for your airdrops. Alright, now, so let me now go and get a contract address. There's a particular contract address I want to get and then use that one as sample. Now the contract address I want to get is the EIFI finance token contract address. Okay, because currently EIFI finance token is on airdrop and the airdrop is ending tomorrow, 31st of July 2021. Okay, so let me just copy that contract address, paste it here to activate the wallet, to show you guys how to add a custom token address for any airdrop you are doing. All right, now there are ways to add contract address. It's either by searching for it or by using the contract address to search for it. Now you can either search for it by the name or by the symbol or by the contract address. So let me start with searching it by the name before we now move to the symbol and then the last one, the contract address. So guys, the next thing you need to do is to come up to this screen, come up to the top of your screen here. On the right corner here, you can see there is a slide, okay, a two-way slide. So just click on it. When you click on it, the next thing for you to do, since I said the very first thing I'm going to do is to type the name to see if it appears. If it appears, we are good to go. If it doesn't appear, we'll try the symbol. If the symbol does not appear, then we'll go for the last one, which is the contract address. So now let's type the name. The name is EIFI finance. Okay, let me use the symbol. Okay, as you can see here, this is it here. EIFI is a BEP20 network, which is a Binance Smart Chain. It's on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is the BEP20. Okay, so this is the name and the symbol of it all together. So now what I need to do now to activate this wallet is to click on the button you can see on the right. There is a button on the right here. This is the button. So I just need to tap on that button to enable that wallet, to activate it. So just tap on the button. As you can see now, the button is now on. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on it. Tap on the entire EIFI to open it. So tap on it. Now we have activated successfully the EIFI wallet on our Trust wallet. Yeah. So now if you actually searched for the EIFI or any contract address by the name or by the symbol and it doesn't appear, what you need to do is what you have on your screen here, which is what? Add custom token. Okay, add custom token. And to add a custom token, it's just for you to go back up here again. Go back up here again, this same icon here, tap on it, then scroll to the bottom of your wallet. On the bottom of your wallet, you can see it here also. This is it, add custom token. Just click on it. Okay, click on it. Now, once you click on it, now you're not meant to use your contract address to activate that very wallet. Now let me teach you this. Let me teach you guys this thing. To add a contract address to enable a wallet on the Trust wallet here. The very first thing you're gonna see is the network. We have the network here. Okay, we have different networks in the crypto space. Now the next space is the space of the contract address. You're meant to click here. You just copy the contract address and click on paste. Then here you enter the name. In case the name does not appear after you pasted it, here you enter the symbol. Okay, here you enter the decimal. There are different decimals for different tokens and different contract address. So let's get to that. Now let me start with the very first one. The very first one is the network, which is what when you click on, you need to click on where you are seeing Ethereum. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next screen opens. Now you can see different cryptocurrencies. All these currencies have their networks. Okay, they are built on different networks. Ethereum is running on the ERC20 network. The next one is Smart Chain, which is Binance. Binance Smart Chain is running on BEP20 network. The next one is Tron. Okay, the next one is Tron. Now the Tron is running on the TRC network, TRC10 and TRC20 network. These three you are seeing up here are the most common networks where airdrops are currently going on. Before you now go to the next one, which you have the VeChain, the Ethereum Classic, the Waves, the Kava, the Solana, the Tomo Chain, the One Chain, the Thunder Token, the Go Chain, the Pearl Network, and the Callisto. All these run on different networks. Okay, so now EIFI is currently on the Smart Chain network, which is a BEP20 contract address, not Ethereum, not Tron. So let's just click on it. Now remember that when we came here as a default, Ethereum was here. Now we have changed it to Smart Chain. So always remember to change from Ethereum to Smart Chain once you are claiming airdrop that is under Binance Smart Chain network. If you don't change it and you paste the contract address here, it's not gonna work. Okay, it's not gonna work. So now next thing for me to do now is to get the contract address where I have it saved. Okay, now most times in different groups or channels you belong to on social media, you may be given signal for a current paying airdrop. Okay, you may be given a link to claim an airdrop, but most times the mentor of that group will not give you the symbol, they will not give you the name, they will not give you the contract address. So now this is what you do. Like for example, this EIF I'm talking about now, if you do not know the contract address, or if I don't give you the contract address, what you need to do is go on Google. Okay, let's minimize and go to Google so you will understand this thing. So just go on Google. Where's my Google? Okay, let's go to Google. Tap on the Google here to search. So now just go on Google and type the word EIFI contract address. Okay, contract address. Search. Okay, so now we are here. So being that the airdrop we are claiming is on the Binance Smart Chain, so the very first thing that will appear is this here. Can you see? What you can see here is bscscan.com. That is the